I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about 1-4 screed. Screed is often necessary in a project's floor makeup, preparing the substrate to receive floor coverings. 1-4 screed is the most commonly used screed and is often referred to as a traditional screed. This type of screed has been common on building sites for decades, suitable for commercial and domestic projects alike. It's common knowledge that screed is made up by mixing cement with sharp sand. The mixing is carried out at the 1-4 ratio. The 1-4 ratio of mixing provides screed with a soft texture that makes it easy to use and place. 1-4 screed can be used to form falls and ramps, leaving a surface that is ideal for binding floor coverings to. Fully bonded screeds need generally to be laid on a shot blasted or scabbled concrete base and be bonded using such products as PVA, SBR, epoxy resin or good old-fashioned cement slurry. Fully bonded screeds offer protection and security like no other. This is where 1-4 screed comes in. When mixed on site, the 1-4 screed mixture is always fresh and ready to be laid. 1-4 screed mixture is popular and is made on construction sites all around the world. The fact that it can be mixed on site gives you a fair amount of control as to when to start work and finish. The mix ratio of 1-4 is widely used as it meets the British standard BS 8204-1 2003 to produce a plastic, easy working, cohesive mortar of plastering consistency. Whilst often mixed on site, it can be delivered directly to site pre-mixed in tipper trucks or even in 1-ton bags. The 1-4 screed would have the addition of an 8-hour retarder to prevent the screed from going off. I hope this helps with your 1-4 screed questions. Do get in touch for more information.